Hi, everybody. Y'all, it's January 1st. Thank you all for the much support that you have given me over the years. Like, literally, thank you all so much. So, in this video, it's not going to be long at all because I need to count to see how much cash I have here. That way I can throw it back in the bank. I know it's not much at all, but let's go ahead and get started. So here are some cards that I got from my family, and I just wanted to, just pretty much read them. I know some of them are blank, but let's talk about this spending, y'all. So I got paid on the 24th, which I was not expecting. And altogether for spending or cash envelopes in general, I had 197, but I ended up with 198.87. So let's start at the top. So from Chime, I spent $8.13. On the 27th, I did transfer $4 to Travis. On the 28th, y'all, I went to Taco Bell. Haven't had Taco Bell in a while, and I was like, well, shoot, I'm hungry. And nothing was thawed out, so yeah, I got me something to eat. um, so I ended up with $1.12 left, and I just transferred it over to Allie. $1.12 added to $5 or $6 definitely adds up. On the 29th, I got some change for the laundry. I thought I was going to get 20, but I ended up getting $17. And this is not on my regular tracker paper. This is just a random sheet of paper. On the 29th, I did go to Sonic. Should have went to Walmart and just bought some ice cream for $3, $3 or $4. So I spent $7.48. On the 29th, went to Walmart, went grocery shopping just a little bit. I paid with my Care credit card because I did not have my Navy Federal credit card with me. With Navy Federal, I would have gotten back 2% of the money, but with Care credit rewards, they give you like 1 point per dollar or whatever. So 55.05, instead of it being, a nice amount, it would have been like a small amount, like pretty much change. So after that, and let's do this, let's pause. So now this came from my sister. She that out. So I'm going to edit that in here. So I'm going to edit her name out. But I do think the envelope is super cute with the little dog and the snowman. Next, I did get gas in cash, and this is me adding up what I should have left, which is not what I have left. So typically I have some money missing that I most likely spent somewhere, but I don't know where exactly. And the card from my mom just looks like this. So my mom gave me this beautiful card, and y'all, can you see that glitter? Like, this is so beautiful to me. And this is what it says. She also written a syllable or two. That's what I like to call a short sentence. So there's that. And so all together, when we add all of this up, I should have $71.81, but I only have $54. So this is the money that I have. I need to figure out how to break this 100. So I may be able to do that when I go to the store, whenever that is. But I need to break this 100. That way I can take $55 out and pay care credit. So at the end, I should, like I said, I should have $71, but in reality I'm going to end up with 54. So that means I'm pretty much missing $17. Not really sure where it went, where it was spent. I don't know. This card right here is from my best friend. Y'all, we've been friends since, shoot, I think she was 12 when we met, and she's like, how old is she? She is 30. This is what she said, and I don't know why she thought I was going to be able to read this, but I can. Words can never explain how grateful I am to have you as my friend, which after 20 years has turned into a sisterhood. We love you. So when she say we, that's her and her 3 kids. We love you so much, and I'm so happy to see where our friendship goes. Love you 20 years down, forever to go. And this is what it says on the other side. And yes, I need to clean that off because it is dusty for the light. Other than that, y'all, story time. So when I went to the washer, oops, I'm dropping stuff. When I went to the washer to get some change, I noticed when I walked out, I saw something that looked at sort of like a thumbtack, but it wasn't a thumbtack, but it kind of looked like one in my tires. So I went ahead and pulled it out, and I was like, oh man, I'm going to, need a flat repair or possibly a new tire. So I went home because I was only like 2 minutes away. So instead of me, going to see about it that night, I just waited until it was daytime. So I was going to Travis' job, and I noticed my PSI from my front left tire had went down to 12 from like 30 something. The PSI should have been like 34, 35, 36, but it had went down to 12, and I'm like, dang, I need to see about this because y'all know how it is. You don't want to be in the dark trying to fool around with a car, especially if you're a woman, right? So I said, well, shoot, it's almost 5 o'clock. Walmart TLE closed at 7, so they may be able to get me in. So I came home, put on some tennis shoes because I just had on some regular slides, and I'm like, okay, let me hurry up, put on some tennis shoes so I can run to Walmart, which is like 10, 11 minutes away. The lady was able to get me in. Y'all, I needed a freaking tire, and the tire that I wanted was the Goodyear Reliance tire, if I said that correct. I wanted the one with 80,000 mile warranty, but y'all, they didn't have any Goodyear tire, period, point blank. The only tire they had was those raggedy, and I say raggedy because I've had them on my previous vehicle before, and those tires are like the bottom of the barrel, those Douglas tires. So I went with it. The guy said, we haven't had a tire truck in 2 to 3 weeks, and I'm not really sure when we would have gotten a tire. And I'm like, dang. So I went ahead and got the tire. I got road hazard, all of that, tire rotation, blah blah blah. Total $146.78. Did I have the money to pay for it? Yes. Why? Because I have a car sinking fund that have a little bit more money than what's currently showing for the 146. So I have enough to take care of it. I did pay with my credit card because okay, so I ended up stopping the video, but I'm back. I ended up paying with my credit card because I didn't have any cash on me other than this money right here. This is all the cash that I had on me. So I'm going to pay that back once everything posts, and I'm going to make another video just pretty much seeing how much money I have currently saved for my not sinking funds, my saving challenges. And I hope you all have a great day. Thank you all for watching, supporting, listening to my rant, TED Talk. What did you all do for New Year's? Or New Year? New Year's. I'm confused. It's early, y'all. It's currently 9:16. So have a great rest of your day. Definitely check out Tammy's channel over at Make Money Save Money. She is trying to get monetized. So, bye.